Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take a PDF file and we're going to turn it into zip format, a zip file. So first of all, before we start, you need to have this module on board. It's called Archive Zip and you install it using cpan, and you can use this command here to install it, cpan archive zip. Right, once you've installed that, then just enter it on here and we're going to convert the PDF into a zip file. So what I've done first of all, I've created a scalar variable called myPath, which is C users mark desktop. So that's my path on Windows because we're working on Windows here. So your path is going to be different to that, so you'll have to find your own unique file path. And then underneath we do chdr path, chdr, change directory to that path. So now we're on that path, and the reason we're on that path is because I've got a PDF file called PDF file here on my desktop. Right, okay, so we go down here and what we do here is we create a subroutine called PDF zip, and here we tell the user to enter the PDF file name. So it's going to be the full file name. So for example, my PDF is called pdffile.pdf. So you enter the full file name plus the extension. And then we use chomp and a scalar variable called PDF file and assign it to standard input. So that will get the input that you've typed in. Again, we print out another message to the user to tell the user to enter the zip file name. So you're going to create your own zip file name. So for example, you'd type in my zip file.zip. Okay, and then of course we're going to get the user input, again using standard input. Now we come down here and we create a scalar variable called new zip, and we use this archive zip new here, and what this does, it will create a new zip and add the PDF file. So underneath here we do the new zip, add PDF file, and then what we do, we come down here, we use the new zip and we save this as a PDF file. And finally, we print out a message to the user telling them where we created the PDF file. Okay, so let's have a little demonstration of this. So let me just run the program. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Enter PDF. So mine is called PDF file.pdf. That's the name of it. Okay, and I want to call it PDF file.zip. Okay, let's hit enter, wait a little second or two. Zip file created here. Let's have a look if it has been created there, and there you go. That's it. Let's have a look at the properties here. So that's going to be a zip file. So there we go, .zip. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button below, drop me a comment, give me a like, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.